darlings, this is Miss McKinney, and this is our second ed puzzle, and it is going to be on number types and adding negatives. So make sure that you've listened to the music video about the number types, about counting on your fingers and toes, and make sure you know how to add negatives. The first thing you're going to do, of course, is type in your academic integrity and principled action statement. So it's going to prompt you in a second, and you're going to type, I have neither given nor received any unauthorized help on this assignment. So you need to make sure you realize you may not use your notes, you may not use the internet, and you may not ask other people for help. So that's why you need to stop right now and study if you're unsure about any of these things. All right, we've got some visuals first. So we've got these number types, and a lot of times people like to put them in different visuals. So this means that all of the whole numbers are also integers. All of the integers are also rational numbers. So here we have the number 75, and in our music video, it had a checklist. So click on all of the number types that fit for 75. Next, I want you to click on all the number types for the number 3/4. All right, so this one goes a little bit further. It talks about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. So if a number is a rational number, what else is it? So let me get more of this on here. All right, so here's a bigger visual. So all the natural numbers are also whole numbers. All the whole numbers are also integers. All the integers are also rational numbers. Then over here you have irrational numbers, and the one that we discussed is pi. So when it prompts you, I want you to do the checklist and tell me all of the number types pi fits into. Then let's go ahead and use -15. I want you to tell me all of the number types that -15 fits into. All right, enough funky visuals, right? So here's a good old number line. We got the positive numbers going this way, the negative numbers going this way. You have 0 in the middle, which is neither positive nor negative. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now notice it's a mirror image. -1, -2, -3, and -4. So now, what number is the blue dot on this number line? What number is the blue dot on this number line? Be careful, it's negative. Now somebody's drawn a really nice number line, but you do your answer and you need to make it a little bit longer. So I want to know the next 3 numbers that go to the left. What are the next 3 numbers that go to the left, starting right here? All right, now we have absolute value. So it's the distance from 0. The absolute value of -2 equals 2. because it's 2 away from 0. 1, 2, to get to negative 2. The absolute value of 3 is 3 because it goes 3 away from 0. 1, 2, 3. So the absolute value looks like blank and means the blank from blank. Choose the correct answer. So this was in our example, so we're not going to use this. Let's use another one. Let's do 5. What is the absolute value of 5? What is the absolute value of negative 72? Next, we have this chart. It should look familiar. We did it as a warm-up. You may not use your notes on this quiz. If I have a positive number plus a positive number, how do I get the number of the answer? That's part A. If I have a positive plus a positive number, what sign is the answer going to be? If I have a negative number plus a negative number, what do I do with the absolute value of those numbers to get the number answer? And if I have a negative plus a negative, what is the sign of that answer going to be? Next, it's a little more challenging. If I have a positive number plus a negative number, or a negative number plus a positive number, what do I do with the absolute value of those numbers to get the number answer? Then, lastly, how do I figure out the sign of one of these problems? So then we have some examples. Just choose the correct answer. What is negative 5 plus 2? What is negative 7 plus negative 5? What is negative 21 plus negative 40? What is 6 plus 39? What is negative 7 plus 80? What is 65 plus negative 5? All right. You did it. You made it through. So make sure in the last part that you remember your academic integrity statement and let me know what kind of help you used. Thank you.